Good morning, children. In the last class, we have seen some of the landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and deserts. Today, we are going to see about the rivers. Rivers means it is a flow of water, flow of fresh water on the land, are called the rivers. Okay. Open page number 10. Course book page number 10. Okay. India is the land of rivers. India has so many rivers. Okay. Identify the rivers flowing in our country from the map. See, in this map they had given the rivers flowing in our country. This is India. In these, all these are rivers. See, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, okay, Ganga, Yamuna, okay, Tapati, Narmada, Mahanadi. Okay, they had shown you the rivers in this map. Himalayas are the source for many rivers. Okay, for many rivers, Himalayas are the source. That means if there is ice on the Himalayas, ice in the Himalayas melted and flows as rivers. Okay, so Himalayas are the source for many rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. Okay, these rivers are snow-fed rivers. These snow-fed rivers are called the perennial. Perennial means they are permanent rivers. That means these rivers will flow throughout the year. Okay, they will have the water throughout the year. Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. These snow-fed rivers are perennial. Perennial means they are permanent rivers. Okay, that means they will exist for a longer period of time. Okay, that they will flow throughout the year. The other major rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Penna. Flow from the west to east into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, in all we know, in the east we have the Bay of Bengal. Okay, from the west to east these rivers will flow. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Penna. Okay, erase and I will tell you. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna, Mahanadi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Penna. These rivers flow from west to east. Into the Bay of Bengal. They will flow from west to east into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers will flow to the Bay of Bengal from the west to east. Okay, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna. Okay, they will flow from west to east into the Bay of Bengal. Next, Narmada and Tapati rivers flow from the east to west into the Arabian Sea. See, Narmada and Tapati, they will flow from Narmada, Tapati. They will flow from east to west. West Arabian Sea is there now. They will flow from east to west into the Arabian Sea. These rivers are rain-fed rivers. That means they will depend on rains. Okay. And the Ganges, here it is the Ganges river Ganga is the longest river in India. See, here it is. Okay, the Ganges is the longest river in India. This is about rivers. Himalayas are the source for the many rivers. Okay, like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. They are snow-fed rivers. They are perennial. Perennial means they are permanent rivers. Okay, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna. These rivers will flow from the west to east into the Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapati, they will flow from the east to west into the Arabian Sea. These rivers are rain-fed rivers. That means they depends on rain. The longest river in India is Ganga. Okay, this is about rivers. Next one, waterfalls. Talakona, Chitrakoot, Dudhsagar, Jog are some of the famous waterfalls in India. Waterfalls means they will flow vertically down. Okay, they will flow, the flow of water vertically down is called the waterfalls. What are the famous waterfalls in India means Dudhsagar, Jog, Talakona, Chitrakoot. Okay, next there are some lakes. Sambar, Chilika, Pulicat and Kolleru are some of the lakes in India. Sambar, Chilika, Pulicat and Kolleru. Okay, these are some lakes in India. Next, delta. Delta means what we land, the soil deposit formed by at the mouth of the river. At the mouth of the river, some soil deposits are formed. No, the soil deposits are called the deltas. Sundarbans. This is Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world. In the world, the largest delta is Sundarbans. Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world. It is located at the mouth of the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra, near where they flow into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, because of the Ganga and Brahmaputra, they will flow into the Bay of Bengal. No, at that they will form the delta. That delta is called the Sundarbans. Similarly, fertile deltas are formed by the Godavari and Krishna rivers. Okay, some fertile rivers means they are suitable to crop. Okay, that deltas are formed by Godavari and Krishna rivers. The Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world. It is located at the mouth of the rivers of Ganga and Brahmaputra, near where they flow into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers will flow into the Bay of Bengal. No, near that the deltas are found. Sundarbans deltas are found. Okay, these are the largest delta in the world. Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world. Okay, and near Godavari and Krishna also some fertile deltas are found. Next, peninsula. Peninsula means it is a piece of land surrounded, three sides it is surrounded by water. Land, three sides it is surrounded by water is called the peninsula. Okay, landmass that is surrounded by water on three sides is called the peninsula. Southern part of India is peninsula, which is surrounded by water on three sides, and the landmass on north side. Okay, in India southern part it is a peninsula because on three sides it is surrounded by water. Okay, north side there is land piece. Okay, a landmass that is surrounded by water on three sides is called the peninsula. Okay, in India southern side it is the peninsula and northern side land piece. Next, island. Island means it is a landmass that on all the sides it is surrounded by water. Okay, completely on all sides if a landmass surrounded by water, that is called the island. The Lakshadweep are the islands located in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the West Arabian Sea is there, no? The Lakshadweep are islands located in the Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, there is Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. In the East, Bay of Bengal is there, no? In the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. In the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. Next, coast. India has a long coastline because of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Coast means what? The land where the sea or ocean touches is called the coast. The land where the sea or ocean touches is called the coast. Okay. India has a long coastline because of the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. East coast and west coast are the coastal lines of India. East coast and west coast are the coastal lines of India. Okay, what we discussed today: rivers, waterfalls, lakes, peninsula, island, coast and deltas. Okay, thank you.